Hello everyone, welcome back. Issue 75, Combat Patrol. And then this one, Field Ordnance Battery Part 1 of 2, stated at the bottom magazine, paint updates and bonds of honour. So we get our first two sprues here to start building our Field Ordnance batteries. There they are there, exactly what they want us to have. So before we get on to what's inside this issue, they have given us small data cards. So our Field Ordnance Battery, Armoured Sentinel, Arcadian Heavy Weapons Squad, and our Atlan Jackals there to finish off our Colts. Arcadian Shock Troops, Arcadian Command Squad with some more terrain. The back with the terrain is exactly the same. We also get our World Eaters data sheets as well. So our Lord on Juggernaut, our Jackals, also our Khorne Berserkers, and our Mauler Fiend, which I think is the last issue, issue 90 of Combat Patrol magazine. So let's go. Issue 75. So our how to build our Field Ordnance Battery. Remembering not to glue certain parts so actually things can move up and down. Getting our crew ready. Bomb blast field gun. Well, bomb blast field gun, sorry. So that's that one complete. And then our Malleus rocket launcher. So, how to paint. Updates to your models, starting with your yellow for our Death Dread, battery packs for our Death Copters, and White Scar. Start edge highlighting, like your War Boss, for example. More White Scar, Administratum Grey, and we're still using our Administratum Grey. Still a long list of Administratum Grey, Abdon Black, and work complete. So there's your boys done. Work complete on Death Copters, our War Boss, and our Death Dread, and that's that done. So move straight into our lore. Bonds of Honor Part 19. Read E Silver Templars 19. So as you see that there, anyone wants to have a read of the lore. And then our last page here with some couple of Astra Militarum here engaging in some sort of firefight. So Field Ordnance Battery, as they always do in these magazines, once you got them, whatever name you're going to give your guns, you're built, you're painted, and you're going to begin play. And then our data sheet here. So as they wanted a bombast field gun, they have actually given you the that's your last guns for your troops, melee weapons, battery close combat weapons, and patrol squads, and then our abilities here. And then we move on to our campaign. So the Astra Militarum and the Orcs are old enemies. Both sides have many stories of great victory over their ancient foe, but the truth is that despite millennia of fighting, neither has been able to triumph fully. So on this one, Sweeping Raid, Astra Militarum there, and Orcs stated. Was it a Astra Militarum victory, or was it a Orcs victory? We then move on to another campaign, Play H Campaign 28, and it's the Astra Militarum versus the Leagues of Votan. Architect Recovery. So to play a scenario in the campaign article, you will need the combat patrol missions called Architect Recovery. You can find this in your collection filed under G Core Missions 2. And there they are, poster boys there for this battle, Astra Militarum, Leagues of Votan. And was it an Astra Militarum victory, or was it a Leagues of Votan victory? And as it's been, still under the Colts, and the Astra Militarum here, still the same cover there. And on to the back page, look forward to future issues. So our part 2 of 2, to finish our Philwant's battery. We obviously didn't get our bases in that, so I guess it'd be the battery, bases for our batteries, both of them, and another sprue, I would have thought. I haven't seen it yet. Also, our heavy weapons squad here for issue 77, and that covers it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all very soon for issue 76. So take care and stay tuned, and bye bye for now.